Dear friends, welcome to all. Sargam Academyയുടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Now, നമുക്ക് നീടുന്നുള്ള ചില വേറെ sentences with action. I need a library. We need a playground. He needs a good school. So there is no action. നമുക്ക് ചില ആക്ഷനുള്ള സെൻറ്റൻസുകൾ നോക്കാം. അതിൻ്റെ ലെവൽ 2. Same level 2. See? I need to talk to Ram. I need to talk to Harry. I need to talk to Sam. I need to talk to her. I need to talk to Ram. This is plus, minus. I don't need to talk to Ram. Same tool number 1, level 2 exercise. What I need need, necessity. I don't need to talk to him. I don't need to meet him. I don't need to go there. I don't need to buy these things. See? I don't need to talk to Ram. Now, yes, no? Do you need to talk to Ram? Do you need to go there? Do you need to visit this place? Do you need to join this school? Do you need? See? Do you need to talk to Ram? Don't you need? See? Level 2 chamber, this is for the sake of doing exercise, you can do that. Don't you need to talk to Ram? Don't you need? Don't you need to talk to Ram? Don't you need to meet him? Don't you need to see the chairman? Don't you need to visit that island, to that place? See? Who, what, it's not that necessary anyway. See? I need. Now, we will do another example. He needs to buy. He needs to buy a system, a computer system. He needs to buy a system. See? Is that necessary for him to buy a system? He needs. Minus. He doesn't need to buy a system. Wanted, which is the same. He doesn't need to buy a system. Yes or plus? Does he need to buy a system? Rising intonation. Yes, no question. Does he need to buy a system? Doesn't he need to buy a system? Doesn't he need to buy a system? Right? Now, who needs to buy a system here, in this group, in this club? The last one. What's his necessity? That means, what does he need? What does he need? What's his necessity? He needs. What does he need? He needs a computer. He needs a system. He needs to buy a system. What does he need to buy? Here, what does he need to buy. He needs to buy a system. Right? Now, another expression, dare. What does it mean? Bold enough to, or have the guts to do something. Have the guts to, bold enough to. Examples: he does dare to leave alone. See? That means he is bold enough to leave alone. He is bold enough to lead a lonely life. He does dare to leave alone. Or he does dare leave alone. To is not necessary there. No, or he dares to live alone. Actually, in communicative language, you can use this. He dares to live alone. But actually, this is right. He does dare live alone, or he does dare to live alone. He dares to live alone. In the words, it's not a major error, but the first one is grammatically correct. He does dare to live alone. Now, dare, this expression we use mainly in tool number 1 and tool number 5. So, തന്നെ ജീവിക്കാൻ അവൻ മുതിരുന്നു. അയാൾ ധൈര്യം കാണിക്കുന്നു. He dares to live alone. Now, she does dare to question the boss. She is bold enough to question the boss. She does dare question the boss without to. Or, as in the case of this sentence, she dares to question the boss, or she dares question the boss. Right? Now, John dares to go there. I'm sorry. John dares to go there. Or John dares to go there. Or John does dare go there. Or John does dare to go there. Anyway, dare. See? So mainly this is used in tool number 1 and tool number 5. So he has dared to live alone. So you can use it parallel. And she has dared to question the boss. That's right. Right? It's a meaningful sentence. But as I said, tool number 1 and 5 another. Now, a few questions. How dare you do that? See? How dare you do that? How dare you? How dare you behave like this? See? How dare you behave like this? How dare you question me? How dare you question your boss? How dare you come here? See? How dare you come here? How dare you? How dare you fight me or fight with me? How dare you fight a lion? How dare you? See, how dare you come here? How dare you behave like this? How dare you use such words? How dare you use such words? Constitutional ittaram questions. This is quite common with dare. So this is the expression dare. That means bold enough to or have the guts to do something. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ സെഗ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് കാണുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി സർഗം അക്കാഡമിയുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സന്ദർശിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.